Hey, what's up guys, it's Sai here from Creator Hub channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys 5 simple cinematic frame drone shot with your Insta360 X4 or X5 camera. For the shot we're gonna use the 5.7K 30 frames per second, and let's get into it. The first one is a low to high angle shot, just pushing your camera forward and then slowly raise in the air. In Studio app, add first keyframe for the point you start moving and let it go. And find the point where you stop walking at the second keyframe. After that, and drag for the view where you want to show to the audience and let it go until the end and add another keyframe. After that, just export and here the result that you will get. Like drone is flying forward and then slowly rising up in the air to reveal the location. It's low to high angle shot. Here another example, like flying into the corn farm and rising up in the air to reveal the location. Here another example, guys. This very nice to shoot to reveal the location and can be cinematic for your drone shot, for your frame drone shot. Here another example, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Hello guys, the next frame drone shot I'm gonna use the 3-meter selfie stick and my X4 camera and try to shoot like the cycle, like the drone flying around me. Let's check it out. For the cycle shot, just hold your selfie stick high in the air and just turn your body with constant speed, guys, to simulate like the drone flying around you. In the Studio app, add the first keyframe and add the active tracking system, and after that just add the last keyframe and export, and here is the result that you're gonna get. Absolutely beautiful. And here is another cycle shot, just like Neo shooting in the cycle. Drone is cycling around you from the air. Here we go, another example. It's very useful where you want to describe your location in cinematic way. I really love this function from the Insta360 X series camera. Okay guys, the next shot we're gonna shoot the follow mode, like a drone follow behind me, and I will use the 3-meter selfie stick also, guys. Okay, for the follow mode, just extend your selfie stick and rest on your shoulder, then just keep walking forward to the scene that you want to show to the audience. In the Studio app, just add the first keyframe for the first point you start moving and let it continue display. And for the scene, you can drag it with your mouse, which part you want to show to the audience. Here we go, just let it play in the Studio app and let it go until the end, and then add the last keyframe and export, and here is the result that you're gonna get. Is very beautiful, guys. Here is another one where I'm walking with my friend for the sunrise view at the remote area. Here we go. You can even add the walking speed if you want. Guys, the next shot we're gonna simulate like drone following us from the front position. Let's check it out. Okay, for the front follow mode, extend your selfie stick to your forward and then just keep walking to the scene you want to show, and here is the result that you're gonna get. For editing, just same like the follow mode from the back side. Here another result. Just like drone flying ahead of you and keep tracking you. You can even add the slow motion also if you want. It's create very cinematic. Look guys, next shot I will be walking around the road to simulate like drone is shooting me from the above. Stay tuned. For the top down shot, extend your selfie stick high in the air and just keep walking while you are holding selfie stick farm. In Studio app, just drag to be see top down and then add the keyframe for the point you start walking. For the view, you can adjust by dragging your mouse to become like the bird eye view, and then let it go to the last movement and add the final keyframe and just export. And here is the result. This is my favorite shot among the faint drone shot from X4 or X5 camera, guys. It's very cinematic. Here another example while I walking past the sugar tree. And here we go, another example, guys. Here we go. This is very creative and beautiful, guy. Based on your scene, you can make the same too. Just like drone tracking you above and slowly come forward to reveal your location. Very cinematic, guy. I really recommend it to try it for the top down shot. Here another example. Okay, for the FPV shot, just same like the first one, pushing forward and go to the Studio app 360. For this one, we use the first clip and just add additional 2 more keyframe between the first and the third one. The first keyframe you edit, just add the rolling angle minus 45 and then go to the second keyframe that you added and then add the rolling angle another 45 degree and then just keep dragging until it becomes horizontal on the third frame. And here is the result that we're gonna get. Absolutely beautiful. This is like the FPV shot, like a drone is flying along that walkway, guys. Here another example is very beautiful. Here, if you want to add 180 degree rotation also you can. This is another example. Is very beautiful and creative, guy. This is early dawn time. Just take this morning. Hello guys, the next shot I will be walking to the cornfield and then make it like drone follow me and then flying over me to reveal the location, guys. Okay, just hold the selfie stick behind. Just walking to the scene you want to show, and then when you stop, just bring the selfie stick to the forward. But if you have someone walking behind you, it will be better. Here we go is the result, guy. Just like drone follow you and then just flying over. And here another result. This one my friend follow behind me. Okay guys, I just finished showing you guys the 5 simple cinematic faint drone shot with the X4 or X5 camera. Low to high angle shot, and second like a side drone flying around you, and then the third one is like the follow mode, and the fourth one is the top to bottom shot, and the last one is a FPV shot. Let me know in the comment below which shot you like most, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up and just hit the subscribe, guys. Bye.